Unit 6 Test Study Guide, question number 30. Oh, we're almost to the end of this thing. Okay, wholesale price on a bicycle is $500. The bike shop uses a 40% markup for the retail price. The bike is not selling well, so 2 months later they offer a 30% discount. Mr. Jordan buys this bike when it's on sale, but he must pay 10% sales tax. So this is a successive percent problem. We've got 3 different things to do: the markup, the discount, and the sales tax. They're asking us again to find the final / total cost. That'd be after the discount, or after the markup, after the discount, and including the tax. How much would he have to pay for it totally? Since we're looking for the final price, again, I would urge you to use the new over original. And again, you start off with, if we're dealing with this markup, that is our change over our original, which in this case the markup is 40%, so it's 40 over 100. And again, that is a markup. They would add, if they bought something for $100, they would add $40 onto the cost. That's a 40% markup. So adding 40 onto 100, the new amount would be $140. If it cost 100, you'd have to pay $140. That's our new percent. Now solve this using that. Our original cost of the bike, what they bought it for, is $500. We're looking for the new cost. So cross multiply. You get 100x equals 140 times 500 is 70,000. 7 followed by 4 zeros. You get 70,000. 4 zeros. Divide by 100. And the new cost of the bike, and again, that's what we set it up as, is going to be $700. Okay, so that was step 1. We did the markup. But now the bike's not selling well. They're going to do a 30% discount. So I'm going to put that at about here. The change this time is going to be 30%, so 30 on every 100, which again means if it cost $100, they're going to take $30 off. That is exactly what the percent means. You can apply it to the problem that you're dealing with. You can think of it in terms of the problem you're dealing with. They buy it for, they were selling at 100. They're going to take 30 off. 30 off of 100. The new amount would be 70. 100 minus 30. The original would still be the 100. Yeah, if it cost 100, you would have to pay 70 to buy it now after they take off that 30%. And so the cost of the bike at this point is that $700, the price after the markup. You want to see what that is after. You're wanting to find the new cost after this discount. This is our original. Cross multiply. You get 100x equals 7 times 7 is 49. We have 3 zeros in this. That's what we will have. 3 zeros. So 49,000. And you divide by 100. And you find that the cost after they take off 30% is $490. $490. You're not done. That is taking care of the discount. But now Mr. Jordan buys this bike when it's on sale, so he's buying it at this sale price, but he has to pay 10% sales tax. So again, that 10% sales tax, that is the change over the original. That is the tax over the original, meaning that if it costs $100, they're going to change, the tax is going to be an extra $10. So if you buy this, you have to pay for the item that costs $100, plus you have to pay the extra $10 tax. That's how we get our new amount. Our new amount is 100 plus 10. It is 110% over the original percent. Okay, if it cost 100, you have to pay 110. That would be with the tax included. The item, the bicycle, now costs $490. You want to find the new cost, and this is the original. Again, I like this idea of labeling so that you're thinking about what outcomes you're getting here. We're getting the new price. Cross multiply, you get 100x equals 110 times 490. I'm not up to that right now. So 110 times 490 is 53900. 53900. I'm sorry, I was just looking to make sure that that is what I should be getting. Divide by 100. And of course it's what I should be getting. It comes out to be $539. So that is what Mr. Jordan must pay. $539 for the bike, including the tax. Okay, that is one way to solve it, by doing it as new over original. You can do it, and that is what I'd urge you to do. You can do it as change over original. Okay, but doing this, you need to think at the end. Here we did the adding on. To get the new amount, we did the adding on first. Doing it this way, we're going to get an amount that then needs to be added on. So $40 change, and the bike, when they bought it for $500. They're doing their 40% markup. So this is the original cost. This is going to be how much the price changes. So cross multiply, you get 100x equals 4 times 5 is 20, and 3 more zeros. It's 20,000. Check it on your calculator, but that should be right. Divide by 100. That'll knock off 2 zeros. X is 200. This is the markup. That is the amount they are going to increase the price. So it is going to be 500 plus 200. Our new price is $700, just as we figured over here. So now the change, they are doing their 30% discount. The original amount now is that $700. And again, this is going to be figuring out how much the price changes, how much they are going to take off. So cross multiply, you get 100x equals 3 times 7 is 21. Tack on 3 zeros, and that's it, 21,000. Divide by 100. That will knock off these last 2 zeros. 210 divided by 1, that is just 210. They're going to take off $210. So it's going to be 700 minus 210. I'm going to go over here to the side. Yeah, sure, why not? 700 minus 210, I need to borrow. That makes this a 10. Now I can subtract 0 from 0. 1 from 10 is 9. 2 from 6 is 4. So the cost is $490. And again, that matches up with what we did over here, so I'm feeling pretty good right now. Then, the final step, the sales tax. Adding on 10%. The bicycle now costs $490. And this is going to be the change. It is the tax that is going to be added on. So cross multiply. You get 100x equals 10 times 490 is 4900. Divide by 100 and you get that your x is equal to 49. Again, that is the tax that needs to be added on to the 490. So 490 plus 49, 9 plus 4 is 13, carry a 1, $539. Again, the same price we got over here, so that feels really good. Mr. Jordan must pay $539 for the bicycle, including tax. That was problem 30.